In this video, we are exploring some of the most useful car gadgets every driver should consider. These clever tools are made to save you time, enhance convenience, and keep your vehicle running at its best. Whether you want smarter organization, better safety, or simple must-have upgrades for daily driving, we have rounded up practical gadgets that deliver real value. Stay tuned as we highlight the features, benefits, and reasons why these car gadgets are worth adding to your setup. Number 1. TICARVE Cleaning Gel for Car Detail Putty. The TICARVE Cleaning Gel for Car Detail Putty is a simple yet highly effective cleaning solution for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle interior spotless without complicated tools. This upgraded 2024 version features an improved formula that offers stronger sticking power while staying soft and easy to mold, allowing it to reach narrow spaces other cleaning tools cannot. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to lift dust, crumbs, and dirt from tight areas, such as air vents, dashboard gaps, cup holder corners, gear panel edges, and other hard-to-reach spots. The gel adapts to any shape, making it perfect for quick detailing without needing sprays or cloths. It leaves no sticky residue, which is important for maintaining a clean, smooth surface. Number 2. Kica JetFan Max Turbo Dryer Blower. Wish you could dry your freshly washed car in minutes without leaving water spots? The Kica JetFan Max Turbo Dryer Blower makes that possible. This cordless powerhouse delivers an impressive burst of air that quickly removes water from every corner of your car's surface, including mirrors, wheels, and trims. With steepless speed control, you can adjust airflow from gentle to powerful depending on your task. It is lightweight, compact, and designed for comfortable one-handed use, making car drying effortless and enjoyable. Beyond vehicles, it also works great for patio cleaning, lawn maintenance, or even drying motorcycles and bicycles. Built with strong battery performance and durable construction, it offers reliability for years of service. The Kica JetFan Max is perfect for car enthusiasts who love keeping their vehicles spotless without the risk of scratches caused by towels. Fast, efficient, and versatile, this gadget transforms the car drying experience into a smooth and satisfying routine that saves time and delivers a flawless shine every wash. Number 3. XRIDONSEN 2-in-1 Dash Emergency Strobe Lights. Ever needed powerful warning lights that make your vehicle stand out in emergencies? The XRIDONSEN 2-in-1 Dash Emergency Strobe Lights provide superior visibility and safety for any situation. Designed with bright red and blue LEDs, these lights are perfect for volunteer responders, trucks, and roadside assistance vehicles. The suction cup mount allows quick attachment to your windshield, keeping it stable even at high speeds. Its flashing patterns are attention-grabbing and effective in alerting others, making roadside stops safer and more noticeable. The sturdy build ensures consistent performance in all weather conditions, from heavy rain to dust. The lights are energy efficient, long-lasting, and easy to install without needing special tools. Whether used for professional purposes or personal safety, they give your vehicle a professional and secure appearance. Compact and reliable, the XRIDONSEN strobe lights are an essential addition for anyone who spends long hours on the road or frequently faces low visibility driving situations. Number 4. CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve Loading Ramp. Having trouble loading heavy equipment into your truck or trailer safely? The CargoSmart LED Hybrid S-Curve Loading Ramp takes care of that problem effortlessly. Crafted from durable aluminum, this ramp supports heavy loads and features an innovative S-shaped curve that allows a smoother, more controlled transition when moving machinery or vehicles. Its built-in LED lights provide illumination for nighttime loading, adding safety and convenience when working in dim conditions. The non-slip surface enhances grip, preventing slippage while loading lawnmowers, motorcycles, or ATVs. It also folds in half for easy storage and transport, making it practical for both professionals and hobbyists. The ramp's high capacity ensures strength and stability for years of dependable use. Whether you are a weekend rider, landscaper, or hauler, this ramp makes loading and unloading quick, easy, and safe. With its smart design and integrated lighting, the CargoSmart ramp offers a perfect balance of innovation, portability, and performance. Number 5. VEVOR Electric Car Jack. Ever faced a flat tire in the middle of nowhere and wished for a faster solution? The VEVOR electric car jack makes changing tires easier than ever. Designed to lift up to 3 tons, this electric scissor jack plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and raises your vehicle with the push of a button. Its double-saddle design provides a firm grip and stable lift, suitable for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. The included remote control allows safe operation from a short distance, keeping your hands free and clean. Made from durable steel, it provides a strong and steady lift even on uneven ground. Compact enough to store in your trunk, it's ideal for emergencies or roadside repairs. This portable jack saves time and effort compared to manual versions, especially when dealing with unexpected breakdowns. For drivers who want reliability and ease during unexpected situations, the VEVOR electric car jack delivers confidence and control whenever you need it most. Number 6. Vantrue E1 Pro Mini Dashcam. Looking for a compact dashcam that captures every detail of your drive? The Vantrue E1 Pro Mini Dashcam offers exceptional video clarity and smart technology in one sleek package. Its ultra-high-definition lens records crystal-clear footage that makes license plates, street signs, and surroundings easy to identify day or night. Equipped with advanced night vision and HDR features, it provides sharp recordings even in low light. Its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you review videos on your phone and track routes seamlessly. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, while its 24-hour parking mode ensures continuous monitoring even when your car is off. Its compact design blends perfectly with your windshield for a clean, professional look. Ideal for daily drivers, commuters, or travelers, this dashcam adds a layer of safety and accountability on the road. With its intelligent features and superior recording quality, the Vantrue E1 Pro ensures you never miss an important moment behind the wheel. Number 7. Tailgate Light Bar 60-inch. Want your pickup or SUV to stand out while improving road safety? The Tailgate Light Bar 60-inch delivers both function and style in one brilliant package. Featuring triple-row LED lights, it provides clear signals for braking, turning, and reversing. The bright red, amber, and white colors ensure that other drivers easily notice your vehicle even in bad weather or darkness. Its flexible design allows it to fit a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, trailers, and RVs. The easy plug-and-play installation requires no drilling, making it a perfect do-it-yourself upgrade. Built for durability, it withstands dust, rain, and extreme temperatures without fading or peeling. Beyond practicality, it adds a bold visual touch to your vehicle's rear, giving it a more polished and modern look. This light bar not only boosts safety, but also enhances your vehicle's appearance, making it a must-have accessory for every driver who values visibility and design. Number 8. VCAN Active Digital Torque Wrench. Do you often worry about tightening bolts too much or too little when working on your car or bike? The VCAN Active Digital Torque Wrench takes the uncertainty out of mechanical work. It offers precise torque readings with a digital display that is easy to read even in low light. The tool alerts you with a buzzer and LED flash when the target torque is reached, preventing damage from over-tightening. Its ergonomic grip provides comfort during extended use, while the included sockets and bits make it versatile for multiple applications. AINAVITO 13.5-inch Android car headrest monitor. Want to turn your car into a mini theater on wheels? The AINAVITO Android car headrest monitor delivers an immersive entertainment experience for passengers. With a large 13.5-inch touchscreen, it supports 4K video playback, wireless mirroring, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. The clear, vibrant display ensures excellent picture quality for streaming or offline content. Built-in speakers and multiple input options, including USB and HDMI, make it compatible with various media devices. Ikuby Medium Carport. Worried about protecting your car from sun, rain, or snow? The Ikuby Medium Carport offers a foldable, retractable solution that shields your vehicle from harsh weather all year round. Built with a strong frame and durable materials, it forms a secure shelter that prevents damage from UV rays, dust, and falling debris. Unlike traditional covers that are hard to remove, this carport opens and closes smoothly within seconds, saving time and effort. Its lockable design enhances security, keeping your car safe even when parked outdoors. Ideal for driveways, backyards, or open areas, it provides the protection of a garage with the flexibility of portability. The waterproof fabric resists wear and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.